Alright guys, we got a 2018 Honda Accord. We're going to replace the PCV valve. There's a part number here if you guys need. Go to the dealer, pick this up. Probably like a $50 piece. And the PCV valve is located in back of the engine. So if you go back here, right over here, see the oil cappies right here? Right in the back right here, this yellow looking little guy right here is your PCV valve right back over here. Okay, got a 10mm bolt. So what you want to do is you want to get a 10mm wrench. You just want to turn this guy. Be careful with this wire. You don't want to stretch that wire. You put your wrench on, turn it counterclockwise. Okay, it's not going. It's pretty stiff. Sometimes it will try to free play from the valve cover itself. If that happens, we're in trouble. But let's give it a one more try. There you go. Anyways, this bolt comes off just like that. Save the bolt. And then you're going to take the PCV valve. You just want to wiggle it a bit and pull it outward a bit, just like that. If that doesn't work, use a flathead screwdriver just to poke it out. So I'm going to go get a flathead screwdriver. Okay, when I got me a tool, this is a fork that I usually use for the clips. So this works pretty good. So just take your flathead screwdriver, go behind it, and just pull out the PCV valve. And you have more than enough clearance just to pull this guy off. So this guy needs to be replaced every about 15 to 20,000 miles. I even would say you could do it at 30,000 miles. So we're gonna go get the new PCV valve. Okay, now we got the new PCV valve. It has two O-rings, 1 and 2, and you want to put a little bit of oil in it, but we got a lot of oil in there. It should slick right through, but if you want to put a little bit of fresh oil, you could do so. Anyways, the function of this PCV valve is to suck out all the fumes, blow by, and it will suck it all out. And sometimes the PCV valve can get stuck. It will start to burn oil. If it gets completely stuck, you will lose vacuum, and that will cause misfire that you will never find. And the car can stall if it gets stuck open. Anyways, just give it a small snug with the bolt. So as I was talking, I put the bolt in. You guys saw it all. And that's it. Thank you for watching. $40, $50 job. And if you go to a mechanic, $30 labor maximum. And you're all done. And you could do it yourself at home. Bye-bye.